there, we're Acadian Adventures, a cruising channel trying to begin our trip around the world for the past 3 years. We've hit a few roadblocks along the way, including a Cat 5 hurricane and now a global pandemic. But we don't give up. With borders closed and the boat finally ready to go, for this season, we're doing the next best thing, cruising the US East Coast. So relax, grab a drink, and come along with us. Support videos you enjoy by clicking the like button, leaving a comment, and subscribing.
Thumbs up and subscribe. Last time on Acadian, we repaired our boat after an accident in the Delaware River. This time, we're back in the water, but being in the boatyard put us in project mode. So, we stay in Georgetown to finish some long overdue jobs before sailing south towards Annapolis.
So we left the boatyard yesterday, but then we found out that we have some, I guess, paperwork we need to do and get notarized.
Yeah, some legal paperwork.
That sounds all serious, but it's not serious. But it's still something we need to do. So, we're going to have to find a notary in this one red light town.
There's one about 12 miles away we saw.
12 miles?
We'll get a car.
Whose car?
Well, we met some people in the boatyard. Maybe they'll give us a ride.
Jared decided to try to tackle the generator again. How successful do you think you're going to be?
I'm going to be very successful. I just found the belt that drives the little water pump just laying in the bottom of the enclosure. And I thought that we had an issue with the cooling system on the generator, but it turns out the little belt came off. Yes, I'm gonna do a bilge pump upgrade. If we get a big hole in the boat, we're gonna sink. There's just no stopping it. We're gonna fix that today. Well, we're gonna start the process of fixing that today. It's a boat project, so very likely it doesn't get finished today, but we're gonna give it a try.
Okay, so the projects never end. What you got going on today, babe?
The pump this little well gusher pump has had a pretty bad leak. So I'm dissecting the pump to see if I can find out why it's been leaking. Alright, so today we're doing a little bit of maintenance. On our way to this anchorage, I did hear like a droning noise down here in the engine room. And I'm pretty sure it was coming from the transmission. So I want to check the fluid in the transmission. And just make sure everything is okay with the transmission. So that's what we're going to do today. Alright, let's get it. So Holly and I have really enjoyed our time here in Georgetown. But I think one of the things we dislike the most about this place are the number of flies that we have in the boat while at anchor here.
Yeah.
What you doing, babe?
It's pretty bad. Annihilating flies.
Get them.
Where?
Hold on. They've become to learn that when we pick up a hat, we're gonna try and kill them. So they go hide. Look, there's one. Close. That's a mosquito. Ugh. Our boat has got flies smeared all over it. Alright, so there's the result of our fly massacre this morning. We're getting pretty good at killing them. This is actually a light day. We've had it way worse than this. So really disgusting. We're still here in Georgetown, up on the mast because we're gonna get underway, hopefully go all the way to South Florida. We're doing an inspection because we had that accident. The rig still feels really strong. Holly's down there lofting me. Alright, babe, I'm ready to go up. Oh, hold on, stop. Stop. Big ass hornet right there. There's a big old hornet right on that block right there for our lazy jacks. I'm not allergic to them, but man, that thing looks mean and I really don't want to get stung by him. Well, he's checking me out right now too. Really need to get this inspection done. Uh-oh. Yeah, come down. Yeah, down. Slow. Yeah, just go slow.
After an hour-long battle between Jared and the hornet's nest, Jared finally got the rig inspected. With everything looking good to go, we tuck in for the night and wake up early the next morning to start our trip. Okay, so we are leaving Georgetown today. Well, we have decided this is as far north as we're going. The main reason is because it's getting really cold outside and we're not equipped for that. So today we have about 47 miles to go. We're going to go back down to Chesapeake. We're going to stop in Annapolis for a few days. There's a weather system coming, so we're going to wait that out there. It's pretty protected there. But we're pretty excited to leave because we've been here over a month. And that's way too long for one spot. Excited?
I'm pumped. Let's do it, dude.
Beautiful morning.
It's gorgeous out here.
Say, feel that bass. We gon' shake up this place. Say, pick up that pace. Yeah, we got no time to waste. Everybody say, feel that bass. We gon' shake up this place. Pick up that pace. We got no time to waste. Say, dreams to chase. Yeah, we ain't losing this race. Say, we got faith.
Aw. We're gonna have to turn the engine on, babe.
Hold on. I ain't giving up just yet.
We're defeated. With 1 to 3 knots of wind, sailing was not an option. So we're forced to turn the motor on. We didn't care though. We were just happy to be traveling again.
As we approach the Bay Bridge and Annapolis, the number of boats increase. They all have their sails up but are going nowhere fast. Just bobbing around, enjoying the beautiful weather.
It's like a regatta. Slowest race ever, with 3 knots of wind.
I'm sure they enjoyed themselves. A few hours later, we complete the 47-mile passage. We motor up the South River and anchor out in Goodby Bay, where we would spend the next couple of nights.
Love waking up in a new spot. Look how pretty this spot is this morning. So we made it to Annapolis. We're in the Glebe River, or the Glebe River. I'm not even sure how you say it. We won't stay here long. It's pretty high trafficked. It's pretty wakey. Beautiful, but wakey. So we'll probably have some coffee and then probably pick up the dinghy and head over back to the Road River where we went to a few months ago. That's pretty private, pretty protected. Jared's over here trying to get a picture of our boat in the fog. So yeah, that's us. That's what we're doing. Not bad for a Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Not bad for a Sunday.
Looking in